Ever been in Bangalore at home in a shop or with your friends and you suddenly hear someone say Banni or beku and you have no idea what to reply? Or you just panic and go Anna, Anna, hoping that someone solves everything? Yeah, we've all been there. These short Kannada sentences are everywhere at home with your friends, family, or even at work. Once you know them, you can actually join the conversation instead of just standing there smiling. Welcome to Airlearn Kannada. I am Bhumi, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಹುಡುಗಿ. I'll help you go from Kannada gottilla to got it. We'll keep it fun, simple, and super practical. You don't need to memorize long sentences or worry about grammar. We are focusing on the short, everyday phrases you'll actually use. If you want these phrases to actually stick, the Airlearn app is super handy. You can practice anytime, hear the correct pronunciation, and check yourself. It's like having a tiny language coach in your pocket. These are the sentences you'll use every single day. Nanige hasivagide. I am hungry. Tinnona? Let's eat. Sustagide. I'm tired. Nannana ebbisu. Wake me up. Arisu. Turn it off. Bagilu muchu. Close the door. Kitiki tegi. Open the window. Adannu muttabeda. Don't touch that. Illi kulituko. Sit here. Illi banni. Come here. Hogi. Go away. Nillisi. Stop. Summaniru. Be quiet. Shantavagu. Calm down. Sahaya madi. Help me. Naan bartidini. I'm coming. Adige madona? Let's cook. These are perfect for daily life, home, hostel or PG. When you're hanging out with your friends or colleagues, these come in handy. Yen samachara? What's up? Hegidira? How are you? Call madi. Call me. Message madi. Text me. Nadi hogona. Let's go. Illi iru. Wait here. Chinte madbeda. Don't worry. Tamashege. Just kidding. Amel sigona? See you later. Adu tamasheyagide. That's funny. Nanu opputtene. I agree. Nanu saha? Me too. Nan tayaridini. I am ready. Use these with friends. They instantly make you sound natural. Here's what you'll use around family or roommates. Shubhodaya. Good morning. Hegidira. How are you? Husharu. Be careful. TV nodona? Let's watch TV. Nidde maduva samaya. Time to sleep. Uta madu. Eat your food. Neeru kudi. Drink water. Kulituko. Sit down. Nillu. Stand up. Kelege banni. Come downstairs. Mele hogi. Go upstairs. Ondu nimisha nilli. Wait a minute. Tada madabedi. Don't be late. These make you sound sweet and respectful. Total family Kannada. Now on to office Kannada. Polite, practical and easy. Meeting eega shoru aitu. Meeting starts now. Adannu kaluhisu. Send me that. Nimma sahaya beku. Need your help. Idu nodi. Check this out. Discuss maduva? Let's discuss. Virama tegedukolli. Take a break. Chennagide. That's great. Shabash. Well done. Neevu check madboda? Can you check? Call ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll call you. ಕೆಲಸದ ಸಮಯ. Time to work. Busy ಇದೀನಿ. I am busy. Focus ಮಾಡಿ. Focus here. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ. Make it quick. Email ಮಾಡಿ. Email me. These work even if you mix English and Kannada. People do it all the time. Finally, here are the phrases you'll use everywhere. Shops, autos, cafes or out and about. Samaya eshtu? What time is it? Nin yellidiya? Where are you? Ideshtu? How much is this? Naan nodbahuda? Can I see? Nanage gottilla. I don't know. Shopping hogona? Let's go shopping. Doctor ge call madi. Call the doctor. Nanu ಕಳ್ದ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I am lost. ನನಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಯಿರಿ. Wait for me. ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. I am coming soon. ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿರಿ. Be patient. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. I'll try. ಇದು ಸಾಕು. That's enough. Surakshita Madi, keep it safe. Maribedi, don't forget. These short sentences are gold. Use them once and people instantly warm up to you. And you can head over to Airlearn if you're looking to maintain a daily routine of practicing to make progress quickly. And next time, don't panic with Kannada Gottilla. Just practice these short sentences every day and you'll be surprised how fast Kannada slips into your everyday conversations. Bega sigona. See you soon.